Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find yourself a Dualith. What is a Dualith? It's this guy, but he's not currently in complete control of himself. He's actually a robot piloted by, I don't know if it's a Pal Soul or a goo thing of some kind, but that's our guy right there. We're gonna piss him off and get him awake. And now look, he's a robot. So if you're looking for one of these fun little robots, it's kind of like a golem meets like a robot in like a mythical, magical setting, then I've got just the ticket for you. And there's a couple places where you can find these. As I was saying, there's a couple places that you can find these. The first place is inside of these ruins here at the base of like the frozen mountain way up here in the north. Another one that you can find is way off to the east out here, directly east of like the main island clusters below the desert. And over here is a boss Dualith. That's a level 55. And you can also run into knocked Dualiths. I believe they roam. One of them is over here at this island right here. This is a knocked Dualith inside of this. And then I'm not sure where knocked Dualiths normally appear. I think those are also located in the world tree, but I can't view those right now for you. But they're available in a couple of locations, but we're mostly focused on the Dualiths here today. And they just kind of look like piles of broken debris when you encounter them. So they're just like the little gooba guy hanging out, playing with the head. And then when you attack them, they get activated. Then, you know, standard rules apply, besides the fact that they're like a weird plant and earth construct of sorts. They still just function the same way as any other pal. You beat them up until they have like 1 health left using a mercy effect item, where it only brings them down to 1 health, and then you can catch them. I've been using Selene, because the big AoE effect seems to do a pretty good job. And the other thing you can find in this ruins a lot is Catris. So if you need some Catris, boy howdy, do I have some great news for you. You can also find some of Lunaris here in like the mid-30s level, day or night. They kind of take over the same spawn points as the Dualiths. Like this round part usually has a Dualith on it, and there's sometimes this one over here. It's just a big broken down pile of junk. And all you have to do really to find them is just patrol around. You will eventually see a big pile of broken parts, and that's what tells you that that is in fact a sleeping Dualith. Alright, and so the stats behind these Dualiths, when you do finally get a hold of one, is they are a rideable giant, basically like golem robot. And when it fires its powerful glass laser, it fires it from its right hand. And this one came with heavyweight and slacker. They're good at planting, gathering, mining, level 6 even, transporting at level 6, and lumberjacking it at level 5. So yeah, they're kind of handy. And that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a look at where to get Dualith inside of Palworld 1.0. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.